How much price increase if XRP replace cross-border payments? That is a very interesting question, but also a very difficult one to answer. There are many factors that could affect the price of XRP, such as supply and demand, regulation, innovation, competition, and market sentiment. It is impossible to predict with certainty how much price increase XRP would experience if it replaced cross-border payments, but we can try to make some assumptions and estimations based on the available data and information. According to some articles, XRP has a potential market of $27 trillion in cross-border payments, which is the total amount of money that is transferred across borders every year. Assuming that XRP captures 10% of this market, which is a conservative estimate, that would mean that XRP would handle $2.7 trillion in transactions per year. If we divide this by the current circulating supply of XRP, which is about 53.4 billion, we get an average transaction value of $50.56 per XRP. This means that each XRP would need to be worth at least $50.56 to facilitate this level of cross-border payments. However, this is not the only factor that determines the price of XRP. The price also depends on the supply and demand of XRP in the market, which is influenced by the behavior of investors, traders, speculators, and users. The more people buy and hold XRP, the higher the demand and the lower the supply, which drives the price up. The more people sell and exchange XRP, the lower the demand and the higher the supply, which drives the price down. The price also depends on the innovation and development of the XRP ecosystem, which includes the RippleNet network, the XRP ledger, and the various products and services that use XRP as a bridge currency, such as on-demand liquidity, XRPL Labs, Flare Network, and others. The more innovation and development that occurs in the XRP ecosystem, the more value and utility XRP gains, which drives the price up. The price also depends on the regulation and legislation of the cryptocurrency industry, which affects the legal status, adoption, and acceptance of XRP in different countries and regions. The more favorable and clear the regulation and legislation of XRP is, the more confidence and trust XRP gains, which drives the price up. The price also depends on the competition and collaboration of XRP with other cryptocurrencies and payment systems, which affects the market share, dominance, and influence of XRP in the global financial system. The more competitive and collaborative XRP is, the more relevance and advantage XRP has, which drives the price up. The price also depends on the market sentiment and perception of XRP, which affects the popularity, reputation, and attractiveness of XRP among the general public and the media. The more positive and optimistic the market sentiment and perception of XRP is, the more demand and interest XRP generates, which drives the price up. As you can see, there are many factors that could affect the price of XRP, and each factor could have a different impact and weight on the price. Therefore, it is very hard to estimate how much price increase XRP would experience if it replaced cross-border payments, as it would depend on how these factors interact and change over time. However, based on the current data and information, some analysts and experts have made their own XRP price predictions for the future. These predictions range from 35 cents to $27.41 by 2025, and from 47 cents to $8.26 by 2030. Of course, these predictions are not guaranteed and should be taken with a grain of salt, as they are based on assumptions and estimations that may or may not come true. I hope this answer helps you understand the complexity and uncertainty of the XRP price prediction. Please remember that this is not investment advice, and you should always do your own research before making any financial decisions. Thank you.